All right, everybody. It looks like Home Depot has finally dropped some fourth quarter deals on Ridgid. And we've got some good ones for you. So sit down and grab the popcorn. All right, the first one is going to be this hammer drill and impact driver combo. This is not the top tier Ridgid. This is the mid-tier 800-inch-pound hammer drill with the 3-speed impact driver. But it's coming with a 4 amp hour max output battery, a 2 amp hour max output battery, a charger, and a soft bag. Everything except the bag qualifies for the lifetime service agreement as long as you register within 90 days. It's $249, but they're offering a free gift with purchase. This looks a lot like what they did last year, but let's shop this offer and see what the free tools are. Alright, so first up, you've got a 6-port sequential charger. That means it'll charge 6 batteries, not all at the same time, but one at a time. Next up, you've got a brushless 4.5-inch paddle switch angle grinder. You've got a job site blower. You've got the latest and greatest oscillating multi-tool. You've got a 6.5-inch subcompact brushless circular saw. And last but not least, you've got their 4-mode half-inch drive mid-torque impact wrench. Now, if you're going to hack the deal, this is going to be the most valuable. But to be honest, if you use this thing a couple times, you're probably not going to return it. I own it. It's great. Let's just select this one and add it to the cart. All right, so in the cart, that hammer drill impact driver combo is going to come down to $144.86. And the mid-torque impact wrench is going to come down to $104.14. Now, they've also got a deal going on with this max output starter kit. That's 2 4 amp hour max output batteries and a charger. It's $149, but they're giving you a free gift with this purchase. Let's shop this offer. And that's going to be the 6-port sequential charger again, the 4.5-inch paddle switch angle grinder, the job site blower, the new oscillating multi-tool, the 6.5-inch circular saw, and the mid-torque impact wrench. Let's select that one again. Now in the cart, that starter kit comes down to $67.69, and those are decent batteries. But the mid-torque impact wrench comes down to $81.31, and that's a steal. Now next up is going to be this brushless 1-inch SDS Plus rotary hammer. $269, and they're offering a free gift with this purchase. So let's shop that offer. And it looks like the free gift is a standard 4 amp hour battery. All right, next up is this drill driver impact driver combo. Now these are both brushed tools, but maybe you don't need anything more powerful than that. They do come with 2 amp hour batteries, a charger, and a soft bag, and it's only 99 bucks. Now if you're looking for a nice little around the house brushless drill, here's the subcompact Ridgid, rated roughly 500 inch-pounds of torque. This is the drill driver, not the hammer drill. It's coming with 1 2 amp hour standard battery, a charger, and a bag. It's not going to perform as well with that battery as it would with the max output, but at least they're giving you something to get started, and it's only 89 bucks. And then they've got the same deal going on with the subcompact brushless impact driver, 1 2 amp hour battery, a charger, and a bag, also $89. And this impact driver does have 4 modes. You've got 3-speed plus the auto mode. Or you can get the combo, which is subcompact drill driver, the 4-mode subcompact impact driver, 2 amp hour batteries, a charger, and a bag for $139. And then they've got a 2-pack of the 8 amp hour EXP batteries. It's $179. Last year that dropped down to around $149, so keep your eye out for that one. And then if you're just looking for some basic batteries that aren't going to give your tool the best performance, but decent runtime, they've got this deal going on. 2 standard 4 amp hour batteries, a charger, and a soft bag, $99. Now, for you Milwaukee fans, it does seem like they've ended the BOGO on the M12 fuel combo, but it is down to $199, and that just shows how much they mark stuff up when they do a BOGO. And the same thing has happened with the compact M18 combo. The BOGO is over, but it's down to $179. And now moving on to Dewalt. They have a BOGO going on at Home Depot. You get a 5 amp hour battery, a 2 amp hour battery, and a charger. It's $199, but they're offering you a free gift with this purchase, and let's shop this offer. Alright, so they're offering a free 6 amp hour flex volt battery, an XR jigsaw, an atomic 1/2 inch variable speed impact wrench, XR router, brushless angle grinder, atomic SDS rotary hammer, XR impact driver, Tough System 2.0 LED adjustable work light, brushless reciprocating saw, brushless 6.5 inch circular saw, 450 CFM leaf blower, 13 inch string trimmer, XR drywall cutout tool, XR 4.5 inch angle grinder, and a brushless screw gun. Hopefully they're going to offer something better than this, because the deals at Lowe's right now are killing this. But let's see if they've got anything else. Well, they do have this Dewalt starter kit. That's a 5 amp hour power stack battery, a 1.7 amp hour power stack battery, and a 4 amp hour charger for $149. And they've also got this Dewalt atomic combo. Now it's a DCD 799. And I want you to take notice, because that new 799 has an all-metal chuck. And that's the DCF 850 atomic brushless 3-speed impact driver. That's coming with a 5 amp hour battery, a 2 amp hour battery, a charger, and a contractor bag. It's $299, but there's a free gift with this purchase. With this one, they're offering the same tools as in with the starter kit deal. So let's find the most expensive one, and we'll see what happens in the cart. Looks like this angle grinder gonna be the most expensive. Let's select that, add it to the cart. Now that atomic combo comes down to $163.14, and the angle grinder comes down to $135.86. Now let's move over to Lowe's real quick, because there's a couple Craftsman power tool deals we missed. Here's the Craftsman RP impact driver. This is not the Gen 2. This one's rated at 2,100 inch-pounds. It's $99, and it does come with a 2 amp hour battery and a charger. This ends on January 7th. And there's your model number. And then they've also got this Craftsman RP drill. Also not the Gen 2. This one is rated at 355 UWO. And it's coming with a 2 amp hour battery and a charger. There's your item number. Also $99, ends on January 7th.